What's doing? Welcome back. We've got an upgrade on a Hilux. Let's go and have a look. So Jess is already hooking in, and we've got James's N80. She's unboxing the parts, and we're going to upgrade the intercooler. She's struggling with life. It's Monday morning.
Like, I'm gonna get into this thing. I've got like half the box undone.
Come on, everyone's waiting to see what it is.
Sorry. It's a big chunk of aluminium.
Big chunk of aluminium from PWR.
Beautiful. In there.
Alright, that's cool. It's actually, we'll have to pull this apart and have a look. It's actually step core. Let's have a look. So we've got a intercooler from PWR on this one. They're actually step it, so it can fit in as much volume where they can and tuck up nice and high. So we'll have to compare this to the factory one so you can see where it sits and what it does. So that's actually pretty cool. It comes with all the hard pipes, so we can swap over the piping to suit. And also comes with silicone hoses and all your clamps and bits and pieces ready to go. Alright, you know what you're doing, mate?
Not really.
Not really?
Figure it out.
There is instruction guides, so the guys at PWR, if you want to do this yourself, have a full instruction booklet, and it is actually all in colour, so you can see step by step what to undo, what to put back in, and where everything goes. So this little step here should be able to go up and underneath the bonnet catch release, so that should tuck up in behind here, so we get some good void filling. So let's get Jess into it, and I'll show you where she gets up to. So Jess has got the boomper off, she calls it. So the boomper is off, and she's just taken off the last little infill panel. But you can see the factory intercooler in behind everything here. Like, these don't operate too bad compared to like Navaras. These are actually really good compared to Navaras, but they're definitely more gains to have with bigger intercoolers. So once you work out how it's all clipped in there, you just have to unclip it. It's just at the top there. And so you can pull that out, and we'll get into the intercooler. Just caught that to the face. But yeah, so that's the factory piping going up into there, factory cooler, and then the other factory piping comes around and goes up into there. So we'll get all this out, and we'll you do a before and after pick it out so you see this versus that. Alright, so she's got the intercoolers out, so you can see the differences there. I'll try and come up as high as I can. But that's your factory one. Just a little itty bitty one over the big one. So I might see if, hey Jess, can you assist? Can we'll just set this over that. So you can see we get a lot more volume, so it tucks up a little bit higher, and it's a lot nicer. So we'll see how that goes. Get it in there. Core thickness looks a little bit bigger, not too much more before you measure it, but I think it's just the extra gain is there going up in the top. So we'll get it loaded in and see what it looks like. So it's all in, hard pipes are all in, tucking up into a silicon in here, and that hard pipe comes from the throttle body down through into there. So it's all braced in, bolts at the top, pegs at the bottom, and it's ready to go back together. Hurry up and get the bumper bar back on there. There we go, it's all in. We're just going to clean it up, give it a bit of a hose down and blow out, but it's all in. It's all tucked away, doesn't touch the AC compressor, AC condenser fittings. Fits in there nicely, hard pipes tuck away all nicely. Not a bad kit. So if you're looking for upgrades for your N80, give us a yell, 54914626, or hit our socials and you'll see us there. We can do the PWR ones, do the HPD ones, or anything else you supply. If you want something different, let us know, but we can get them fitted up for you. And if you want to, we can do a before and after run so you can see the gains. Well, mainly the IATs will stay pretty much the same. So yeah, if you want to give us a yell, come and see us, have a chat, give you a quote, and till the next time, hit that like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.